Want to learn how to log into your VK Apps account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed VK app from my Play Store. You can also get into your App Store and Play Store and then tap on it. You are into the very first section of the VK app itself. If you do have an account, tap on Sign In. Below, already have an account. Here, you can enter your email or phone number along with your password, and then you can tap on Sign In below. So I'm going to enter my phone number along with my password. You can do of your own. So when you're done doing both, tap on Sign In below. So this is how you do it. This is how you get logged in to your on VK Apps profile. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.